Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll teach you three basic chords that are G, C and D. So the first chord is G major chord. To play G major chord, we will take our third finger and put it on the third fret of first string and first finger on the second fret of fifth string and middle finger, that is second finger, on the sixth string third fret. So this is how we have to hold. There should be a proper curve while holding it for any chord. And then we are going to play with a pick from sixth string to first string, and we are going to give us downstroke like this. So this is our G major chord, and we can play like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our first chord, and the second chord is C major chord. To hold the C major chord, we'll take the first finger and put it on the first fret of second string, and the next finger, that is second finger, on the fourth string second fret, and the third finger on the third fret of fifth string. So this is our C major chord, and you have to maintain a curve while holding it. Now you should skip this string and you should start from fifth string to play. So we'll start. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So this is our C major chord. Now the other chord is D major chord. To play D major chord, we'll take our first finger and put it on the second fret of third string, second finger on second fret of first string, and the third finger third fret of second string. So again, maintaining a curve, and bring your thumb on the top of the neck, and this is how it sounds. This is how it looks. We should not play these two strings when we are playing the D major chord. We should start from the fourth string. So we'll start from here and we'll play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the three chords, and after this you can try the shifting also. Like after every 8 counts, you have to shift from G to C to D to G again. So we'll see how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1. So these are the three chords which you can practice.